Hello everyone, welcome to Adventures Programming. And today we are going to make a Python program to find the sum of digits of a number. So first I will take a variable n1 and take it as input. Int input enter n1 here. Okay, and now I will take a while loop while, and inside while loop I will write a condition n1 is not equal to 0. Okay, and now I will take a variable remainder equal to n1 modulus 10. This remainder will gives us the last digit of n1. When you divide any number by 10, then the remainder tells us the last digit of that number. Okay, so here I will add here sum equal to sum plus this ram. You get the last digit and you will add it in sum where sum equal to 0. Okay, now will sum will be updated by the last digit of a number. Okay, and here I will update this n1 by n1 divided by 10. Like you take n1 equal to 345, so the value of ram will be equal to what, 5. Okay, when we divide it by 10, then the remainder will comes 5. So sum equal to sum plus ram means sum equal to 5. Now n1 will updated by n1 divided by 10. When you divide it by 10, then it will give us what, 3 4 34. Okay, now the value of n1 is 34. 34 is not equal to 0, correct? So now ram is 34 modulus 10 means now ram is 4. So 4 plus what is sum, not 0, sum is 5. So now it is 9. Here n1 divided by 10 means n1 is 34, so 34 divided by 10, you will get what, 3. 3 is not equal to 0, yes. So RAM equal to 3 modulus 10. You will get what? 3. If this n1 is less than this number, then we get n1. Okay, so RAM is 3. So RAM 3 plus 9 means you get 12. Okay, so n1 will update by n1 equal to n1. N1 is what? 3. 3 divided by 10. 3 is less than 10, so it will be 0 because n1 is integer. So 0 is not equal to 0, false. So we will out from this while loop and we will print sum. Let's run the code. Take 3 4 5, you will get 11 12. Okay, 3 and 4 7 and 5 12. Take another number 87, enter. 7 and 7 15. Okay, 7 and 8 15. Take 1 1. Take 0, sorry, 0, enter 0. Okay, I hope you understand the question. See you in the next video.